trains. There are trains all over. Look. Don't touch. Do not touch.
Why are they not moving?
Here, because they're working on them. Look over there. There's some moving over there. Do not go under the bamboo. Go walk over there. There, look. Look, right there. You can see it. Teddy, do not go under the bamboo. Just stand there. You can go anywhere you want, but don't touch anything. Here, stay with me while I pick. Look, Teddy. Okay. Hey Ted, look, it's Godzilla. Yeah, you can stand there. But look, it's Godzilla. Look at the monster. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Oh, you're not supposed to climb. I said stand. I didn't say climb. And stop being such a lawyer. Yeah. He's trouble. Look at Godzilla. Look, Ted, look. It's a giant monster attacking. You know? Oh, yeah. Yeah, Ted, you want to get a picture with the Godzilla?
Yeah.
Right there. Oh, come on, please for Dad. Thank you. Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. I understand he's a monster. Here, smile. Say cheese. Oh, give me stand closer. Give me a better cheese. Okay, I got you. Good. Okay, don't knock him down. Come on, stop.
I'm making him closer.
Okay, let's go look at more trains. Look, go over here. Ooh, wow, trains.
We just saw that.
No, we didn't just see them. Wow. Do not touch.
They're not model trains.
They are. That's what they're called. What would you call them?
They're called sticky trains.
Look at this one. Here comes one. Look, it's got wood. It's carrying lumber.
And what's that?
That's a wood train. Oh, here comes one. What's he carrying?
It looks like this is driving up.
Ted.
That's such a one. This one. Tree.
Teddy, where's your hand?
Wait. Why can't
No, over the line.
Wait. Why can't the trains go this way?
I don't know. Maybe one's a coming, so we don't want you to lose all your fingers.
I won't.
Oh, you lose a few. They'll call you Teddy Six Fingers, because you lost 4.
This is not.
Yeah. Teddy, here comes the train. Here comes the train. Oh, look, the wood train's smoking. Smoking's coming out of the wood train.
Oh, look, they're both moving.
Yeah,
Wait, that train stopped.
yeah.
Wait, that train.
Hey, Ted.
Now, why can't the trains go on this track? I won't have 6.
Teddy Six Fingers.
No, I won't.
Hands off the trains.
Hands off the train.
Ooh. Did I tell you more than once?
Who's gonna give him
Yeah, if you're ever looking for those.
Really?
Hobby Lobby has.
You knew how that worked?
Because there are some. I mean, with the electronic sales are cheap.
It's hardly anybody.
Two pin.
Here comes the train. The wood train.
Where's the blue train?
It's going all around.
When can they stop? Hey, look at that train over there.
Yeah, you want to go look?
Earthquake train.
Yeah. You can find it if you look hard enough.
It has a dumpster and some bricks.
While they're still. Look, they're staying still for a minute.
Dude, it's a train from New Haven.
Ooh, monorail. Monorail. That's what that's called, a monorail. Springfield had one. Monorail. Monorail.
Reach it.
I know.
It doesn't say. It says.
Teddy, it says right there, danger, keep off. Right here, right here.
That's danger. But it doesn't say NO.
Right. Okay, America, I'm gonna have to explain to him.